Nice one, cool dudes. The final day of my South Downs Way walk. Fingers crossed. How was your camping last night, Marek? Well, there were some arseholes at the other end of the field who were playing house music when I arrived for about 3 hours, and then at 8 o'clock when it got dark, started playing a horror film. So I was stuck in my tent, mildly crapping myself, but luckily they turned it off and I actually had my best night's sleep in a while. And there was a smell of smoke the whole time. It was only in the morning I realised there was like a smouldering remains of a fire 2 metres from my tent. I maybe would not recommend the camping site. 10.9 miles away from being recognised as one of the greatest walkers in history. Today, my friends, is supposed to be the best day of the walk. Beachy Head, the Seven Sisters, and wonderful views, fingers crossed. My main regret about this walk is that I've carried a 300-gram spaghetti meal for the whole way. 300 whole grams. Wasted. Surely that meal should go up in value if it's travelled over 100 miles. Tell me, what's so special about your spaghetti? Every mile the spaghetti is carried, the taste improves. Actually, I find that all a bit offensive. The major flaw in this section of the walk, cool dudes, is the kissing gates aren't designed for people with rucksacks. I don't know if you can see that, cool dudes. White horse in the distance. Gorgeous, nice big pony got there. Marek, what about the storm coming at 1 o'clock? Well, my friends, the storm has moved back until 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. So I should be okay. Although it really does take a bit of the narrative out of this one. This is how windy it is. It's blowing the post over. Look at the hat. I'm approaching Seven Sisters, where it goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. This is what I hate. I can't tell if this is the cliff edge or not. It looks like it is. Shit. Relentless mild peril, cool dudes. Halfway point of the Seven Sisters, and I've got Beachy Head. Today's competition, cool dudes, is for the 100-mile spaghetti. The 100-mile spaghetti? Yeah, I know. All you have to do is ask me a question about the walk, and the best question below, I'll send the spaghetti to. On a nice day, this walk would be great, but walking relentlessly into the wind is exhausting. One more hill, cool dudes. 2.7 miles away. That wasn't even the last hill, there's a bigger hill hiding behind it. Look at this hill. This tiny narrow path is right next to a steep drop and it's really windy. This might even be my worst bit of the walk. So as we head into the last half mile, it's time to reflect on the previous 99.5 with some questions. Well, the first question, Marek, has to be, have you enjoyed it? I would say, I think it is a feat of endurance for people who like doing things rather than people who like a nice walk. For me, a nice walk, 10 miles maximum, maybe 12, if it's not too up and down. What were your favourite bits? Well, I quite like Harting Down. There's some stretch when it was evening, there were fences either side. Ditchling Beacon. Some incredible views up there. What an achievement. What a day for MacLeod and perhaps humanity, or perhaps just MacLeod. Nice one, cool dudes. I've finished 100 miles. I can't believe it. Today was 11.1 miles, 5.25 hours. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please join the club and get all this amazing stuff if you want to see me do more walks. I'm a bit shell shocked, to be honest. All that remains to be said is stay cool. See you later. Cool dudes, this is Future Marek. I forgot to say a big thank you to all the people who have joined the Cool Dudes Club and donated to help me make these videos. Without your help, I would not be able to make them, and it really means a lot to me. Thank you very much to you all. And who won the best name of the South Downs? Well, I managed to miss Bushy Bottom, which almost made the top 3, but in the end, number 3 was Long Clump, 2 Sticking Split Bottom, and number 1 I actually missed until the edit. Near Alfriston, Plonk Barn. Well done, Plonk Barn. But remember, we're all winners. Thanks for watching, happy walking, and most importantly, stay cool.